Hi, this is Chris, 24k on Instagram, 24k on Twitter, and 24k_lifestyle on TikTok. I've been waiting for this battery for a little bit time to check out. It's 32,000 milliamps. It's called the PowerUp from Scosche. It's a portable power hub. So that's the side. It has the screen to tell you the battery percentage, and we'll go through all of the features. It also has a variable light on the front. So you hold down the button on top for a couple seconds, so that's total brightness, and then it has different modes and levels of brightness, so you hold it down and there you go. There's another level of brightness, and then the last level of brightness. Okay, so that's the one side. This is the other side right there, and then here's the back. So you have an AC port, does 110 volt AC, and it does 100 watt maximum output from this port right here. It has two power on buttons. This is the USB power on. It's just a simple tap on, so now you can see the screen, and we'll give you the readout right here of the battery percentage. It's at 27% because I've been using it quite a bit to charge different phones throughout the day to see how well it works. You have PD output right here, PD output and input right here, and a 5 volt 2.4 amp output USB-A port right here. And you can do independent this or both. Of course, if you do both, there'll be less power for all the different ports, but I like that it has simple power on and off with the different buttons right here. So again, when you power on for the AC, it shows you percentage level, and there you go. And it comes in this nice kit right here. It's a hard shell case. Comes with some accessories right here. You get the wall charger, USB-C, right there. And all the details of what the battery can do will be in the description below. And it comes with this USB-C to USB-C cable. I've also been using this as well to charge different phones. Works quite well with the Android set of phones, but I like the hard case. Now there's also a handle built onto this. It does not collapse. So it is a hard handle, but the case is made to fit with the handle, just like that. So that fits nicely. You can put your accessories right there for charging, and then it all closes up to take with you. So this is 32,000 milliamps. It's made for really anything you want to do with it, outdoors or indoors or traveling, but this is a lot. It has a lot of features. So here's what's in the box. You can pause anytime and take a look. And then here's some more details about the battery. Again, you can pause at any time to take a look at those details. Most of the power information will be in the description below. This is the portable power hub, PowerUp 32,000 milliamp from Scosche, and they're available now. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.